Ahoy out there! I need a ride out to the Pearl Farm. Would you mind?
Sure, why not? They shark biting anyhow. Whoops, sorry about your megaphone there. My name's Herman.
That's okay. My friend Cookie was done with it. My name's Fox. Spy Fox. I'm on a secret mission to...
Hop aboard. I haven't got all day.
Thanks for the boat ride, Herman. Poodle's Pearl Farm. I'm getting close to that pearl now. That was close. That looks like one of Poodle's goons. Better not let him see me. I don't see any place there might be pearls to detect. Let's just see how that malicious mallard likes Professor Quack's duck blind gadget. Duck blind, don't fail me now. I walked right past that guard. The duck blind impaired his ocular nerve center. In other words, he didn't see me. This pearl detector will find the shy shellfish who's hiding the pearl I need. I must be getting closer to a pearl. Okay, oyster, don't be shellfish. Hand over that pearl. Eureka! I've got the pearl Plato Pushpin needs for his congeal pill.